I wanted to film a tutorial on how to get ready in 5 minutes, maybe just a little bit over, for women over 50. So I'm a 50-year-old woman. I am sometimes in a rush to go places, and sometimes I don't even want to put on any makeup whatsoever. But I do sometimes want to make an effort, and today is one of those days where I really do want to make an effort. So let's get started. Okay, so new background, it's just my normal wall. I thought, let's film behind a yellow wall. Behind a yellow wall, in front of a yellow wall. We'll see how it goes. So I have a couple of different things to choose from on my little desk at the moment. Do I go in with one of my favorites, the Rimmel Multitasker, or do I go in with the By Terry Brightening CC Serum? I'm thinking I want to be a little bit more tan today, so let's do a healthy glow. Shake this up. This is a very scented product, so if you are very sensitive to scents, you may not want to put this on, but I'm just doing 2 pumps of that using my fingers, and I'm applying that all over the face. Now I am looking down into a mirror here in front of me, and as you can already see, it's given me sort of like a nice healthy tanned glow. Bring it down the chin, jawline. Now we're going in with the Revlon Serum Tint. This is one of my favorites. I totally forgot that I had it. I had to pull it out of the drawer and use it today because literally I love this product. Just doing a little dollop of that, about that much, not that you can probably see. I'm sitting in a different chair today, so apologies. Making sure to emulsify that between the fingers and smooth that all over the face. Now I'm not using any brushes, I'm not using any sponges, I'm just using my fingers, which sometimes is the quickest and most perfected way to put on makeup, in my opinion, especially when you don't have time. And now I know there's some of you don't want to dirty your fingers. Have a towel on hand, you can wipe it off. But I know some people don't like the feeling of product like foundation or skincare on their fingers, so that's totally understandable. Now, prior to this little concoction, I did have a SPF on, just the Elta MD SPF 40 UV clear sunscreen. I hope you guys have all been well. Okay, now going in with a concealer. I'm just using a little dab of the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, the matte version. Just like a little tiny dab. So I'm just wiping off the excess. A little bit here and a little bit there. Literally that's it, because it's so concentrated that I just don't want to have too much. See, look what I mean, it's already transferring down. Okay, maybe I could use a little bit more. Maybe I could use a little bit more. Let's highlight the bridge of the nose. Why not? It'll act a bit like contour. But just using my fingers to blend that concealer in from the inner corner of the eye and bringing it down. Just like that. And tapping the concealer on the bridge of the nose. I did apply way too much, so I'm wiping off my fingers with a towel. And I'm just going to continue to work that in. Wiping off the excess. Dab, dab, dab. And that's it. Done. I'm using a cream blush today, but then again, you can also use a liquid blush. Now, for those of you who don't like cream or liquids, definitely going with the powder of your choice, but I haven't used these in a while. Now, this is a Sigma cream blush in the shade Pashmine. I'll just show it to you. It's a beautiful bright pink. And this one here is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand High Blush in Pinkgasm. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go with Sigma. Fingers, about that much, dabbing it in to the cheeks for a nice pop of color. Apples of the cheek all the way up to the high parts of the cheekbone. Okay, I don't know how we're going for time, but looks like I've been recording for 8 minutes and 37 seconds, so whatever. Now, I was going to say, if you didn't want to use the Rimmel primer, you could go in with the Bobbi Brown face base. Anything of your choice, any moisturizer, primer that you desire. But it works well under any kind of skin serum, foundation serum, CC cream, foundation stick, whatever foundation formula you desire to use. Brows, I'm using the NYX Brow Glue. Fill in any sparse areas with a pencil or however you do your brows, but with me, I just run this gel through them, and it's pretty much, that's all I do. Mascara, Kevyn Aucoin, the Volume Mascara. This is probably the step that takes the longest. Coat the lashes top and bottom with this gorgeous Lush mascara, or whatever mascara that you like to use. This one I find is very, very, very good at not hurting my eyes in terms of irritation, especially if you're a contact lens wearer. Now, you can definitely go in with eyeshadow. Usually when I'm in a real hurry, I use a bronzer, and I use the bronzer over my eyelids just to sort of add a bit of contour. Finishing off the look with my Lip Chick Chantecaille lipstick in the beautiful shade Sari Rose. And that completes my, well, could it be 5 or 10 minute makeup look? Not too sure. Doesn't really matter. 5-10 minutes, you know, it's makeup that's going to look good and it's going to last pretty much all day. Feel free to go ahead and powder the face. If you want to powder it, go ahead with a setting spray. If you want to go ahead and spray your face with more setting spray power, do it. Very simple, very easy to achieve. For those of you who have recently subscribed to my channel, welcome, thank you so much. And for my current subscribers, thank you so much for being honest with me and for being supportive. As always, take care, have a good day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.